You have been seeing clients from, I think,
Mm-hmm.
quite long time right
Yeah,
now.
yeah.
What is one major issue that people come up with,
Mm-hmm.
and or what are the one two major issues people come up with,
Mm-hmm.
and what do you suggest them?
Major issue यही है, they are not happy within their own bodies. They are not confident. They're not able to they're not able to wear their favorite dresses. Very common in women. What's the point of getting that $10,000, $5,000 LV, Louis Vuitton, any dress or something if you're not confident, if you are not feeling confident within your own body.
Mm-hmm.
वो सब दिखावा है. एक नॉर्मल अगर if you'll be in a good shape, कुछ नॉर्मल भी कुछ पहनोगे, you still look good. You put that impact outside. So first of all, be confident in your own skin rather than figuring out some external skins like these fancy clothes and all. Yeah.
Second number पे क्या है?
Second, people are like, "Hey, yaar, I just don't feel like doing anything."
Activeness problem, I would say.
Activeness, yeah, like not being productive,
Sedentary lifestyle.
sedentary, not being efficient, happy hormones. They're just not happy, despite having all the materialistic
They have
things in your
money,
life.
they have
Yeah,
everything.
yeah. I've seen clients crying. They drive in a Tesla every day. They have a $2 million house, but they're not happy.
And again, you have seen people who are in a debt of $20,000 with their car,
Yeah.
and they are very happy.
Yeah,
Possibly.
मतलब
Because they are paying it off, but they're taking care of their health side by side.
yeah, you can say like अब ये बहुत individualistic एक चीज है. But again, when it comes to
But when you are when your body is fine, when it's
Yeah.
all working, when
Yeah.
you feel active.
yeah,
For me, I think health means to feel active, to feel healthy in yourself.
yeah. I say it as rather than buying that BMW, be a BMW yourself. You have the capability, as I said, with that iPhone example, there is something better out there. You just need to get it with the right process. It's out there. But yeah, figure out that formula that works for you. By formula, I mean you need a right system that's meant for your lifestyle routine. That's where actually, people go to coaches and all. They need a system because they are unable to design it themselves.
So knowledge is available, but system is not there.
I would say, let's call it as process. Yeah.
Process is not there.
Yeah. The process that's meant for you. Yeah.
So a coach helps you finds out
Yeah.
that process
Yeah.
which will work for you.
Exactly. Again, time is important. You will figure it out yourself as well if your why is strong and you're putting in the efforts. But again, जिसमें आपको एक साल लगेगा, a coach helps you in like 90 days. And then you're like, okay, I'm
feeling better
good
now.
enough. अब बताओ six pack abs कैसे आएंगे?
A problem that many of my friends have faced, been out of India for like already 9 years. India से जब लोग बाहर निकलते हैं, they face one major issue.
Yeah.
That is hair loss. Many of my friends, they have like I have seen some of my seniors at university, and some of my friends, they had this major issue of hair loss. So is it connected with nutrition, lifestyle? Of course,
Yeah.
it's connected, I would say.
Yeah.
And how do we solve this out? What is the main solution for this?
Yeah. I'll be honest, I'm not an expert in this, particular topic. तभी मैं ऐसा कुछ ऐसा कोई मैं फर्म एडवाइस नहीं दूंगा. बट जितना मेरे को अभी तक पता है, मोस्टली जेनेटिकल. जेनेटिक्स से बहुत ज़्यादा रिलेटेड है. लाइक इफ यू हैव योर ग्रैंडफादर और यू आइदर ऑन योर मैटरनल साइड और
But there are many cases
yeah.
Which are not genetic.
That's because of deficiencies, your lifestyle issue, the food,
Lifestyle issues.
the your blood work, these kind of things. You're not active. Again, all of these things are connected here. And hair loss, वो तो external चीज होगी. Ask them some internal questions.
Why is it happening? That's actually
Because of deficiencies.
Yeah.
Your body, अब देखो आपके बॉडी में कुछ पार्ट्स चाहिए उसको ऑन अ डेली बेसिस. जैसे गाड़ी में पेट्रोल चाहिए ना रोज चलाने के लिए. अगर पेट्रोल की जगह कुछ और डाल रहे होगे, अब पेट्रोल वाली कार में अगर आप डीजल डाल रहे होगे, वो चलेगी नहीं चलेगी ना. लग्जरी कार्स में अगर एग्जांपल ले लो, मर्सिडीज में अगर आप रेगुलर गैस डालोगे तो क्या बोलते हैं, उसकी इंजन की एफिशिएंसी खराब होती है बिकॉज दैट्स नॉट द बेस्ट ग्रेड ऑफ ऑयल. द सिमिलर थिंग इज विद प्रोसेस फूड्स. इफ यू आर पुटिंग प्रोसेस फूड्स इनटू योर बॉडी, you're not performing at your best.